Hey everybody, we are here doing some inequality statements. So we have an inequality that we are solving for, and then we're going to graph for it as well. So this is very much like an equation. So I'm just going to put a line there where you would have an equal sign normally. And I'm going to go ahead and solve this to get g by itself. Opposite operation tells me that that plus 7 is going to be the opposite of that, which is a minus 7. So we're going to subtract 7 on both sides. Now those 7s are gone, our g is all by itself, and our inequality statement stays the way that it is, so it's g is less than. Be careful right here, negative 12 and a negative 7 adds up to be negative 19. So our answer is going to be that g is less than negative 19. So this is not necessarily the part that's really the tricky part for people. The trickier part is the graphing when you have to graph it on a number line. So I'm just going to do a quick little number line here. We are going to write the numbers here. Again, we're in negatives, so we got to kind of work our way backwards. So this should be going higher every time I write one. And so the part with the graphing that you really got to be careful with is if you have g or whatever the variable is first on the left-hand side, this makes it so much easier for you to graph on a number line, because when the variable is first, you just follow this symbol, and which way it's pointing is the way that your graph will be pointing as well. Now, this has no line underneath it, which means it's not equal to negative 19, which doesn't include it. So we're going to go to negative 19, and we're going to put an open circle on that dot right there, that number 19. So again, if this was a line underneath it, that wouldn't include it. So that circle would be closed. So you would shade it in. Now, as I said, the symbol is pointing in that direction, which means when I graph this, I'm going to be putting the arrow that way. See how the sign is the exact same as this? So you know that that is graphed correctly. If the variable's on the other side, this does not work. So the graph has to be the same way if the variable is on the left-hand side. So that is your trick. Hopefully that will help you with graphing. And if you have more questions like this, you can find them on my YouTube channel. You want algebra? Check them out under the inequalities section.